Remove one of the nuts. And with the slot down, screw this into the arm. So that the nut is about this distance from the end. As you will notice, the position of the central rod is not symmetric compared to the arms. It's protruding slightly up. Position the arms in a way that this side is away from your SnapCap and put on the limiter in this position. Place the arms on the SnapCap as indicated, and with a small screwdriver drive the central rod in. Leaving some space for the counterlock nut. If you need to adjust center distance, you can still rotate the arm, but remember to make full rotations to maintain the correct side that must face up. Finally, put the counterlock nut on. Orient the arm correctly and lock the nuts. This one. And the other one. Make sure that the back of the ball joint is parallel to the plane of the SnapCap. You can rotate it with the open wrench, size 13, and then you can check if the limiter is still parallel in this position. It must be, and then the arms as well must be in the same plane. If not, then adjust and then check the counterlock. Now you can insert the rods into the motor arms, pushing them gently one by one. Temporarily lock the rods with the grab screws. Release the motor arm and put it into the closed position for mounting it on the otah.